and strong lion lived in a dense jungle. He decided to appoint a fox, a leopard, and a crow as his courtiers. Lion said to the fox,
You are very clever, so I take you to be my chief advisor.
Lion said to the leopard,
You are swift, alert, and strong. You will be my security chief and protect me against any danger.
Lion said to crow,
You are a high flying bird. You know every nook and corner of this forest. You can be my chief hunt finder.
they took an oath.
We will always remain loyal to you, O King. We will lay down our life for your safety.
In return, I will take care of your food and protect you.
My lord, have you ever eaten a camel's meat? It is very tasty.
I have never eaten the camel meat, but now I am very much interested to do so. Can you find me a camel to hunt?
Camels don't come to the jungle. They live in the desert. I saw a big and fat camel in the desert close by.
Lion had never been to the desert, so he asked his chief advisor, Fox, and his chief security officer, Leopard. It was a new experience for them too, but they said to the lion,
Yes, my lord. Let us go hunt the big camel.
All four were traveling in the desert. There was no shade, no water, and the blazing hot sun was making the sand hotter and hotter. But they kept walking, thinking about the camel meat. Crow was flying high, enjoy the air vibe. In some time, the lion was really tired and hot in his feet. He did not want to walk in the blazing sun any longer and longed for the cool shade of his forest.
Let us go back to the forest. I do not care for the camel's meat.
The three advisors were shocked to hear this, as they left the forest very far and were all hungry and wanted to have the camel's meat. They looked at the clever fox for some ideas. The fox, being clever, thought of a plan. Don't worry, I will take you to the camel and we will have our feast. Crow, please guide me to the camel. The crow took the fox to the camel. The fox went to the camel and said, Hello, dear camel. The king of the forest is not keeping well and needs your help to be carried back to the forest. He will reward you in a big way for your service. The young and innocent camel immediately agreed to help the king of the forest.
It is my pleasure to be of help to the king of the forest.
Fox returned to the king along with the camel. The lion and the leopard were both very pleased to see them both. The fox said to the lion, Your Majesty, please climb on the camel's back. He will take us all back to the forest, as camels don't feel the scorching of the sand like we do. The lion sat on the camel, thus all of them set off to the forest. When they all reached the cool and comforting forest, the three advisors were now waiting for the king to kill the camel and have some good food. However, to their surprise and shock, the lion instead offered protection to the camel.
You have saved my life. I offer you position in my court. The three of you will go and find food for him as he is exhausted.
Instead of looking for food, the fox, leopard, and crow had a meeting near the pond, and the fox shared another idea. The three come back to the lion and said to him,
Oh my king, we could not find any food for you. I offer my meat to you.
The crow is so small, I have more flesh. King, please make me your food today.
I am much bigger than these two, so it will be the best that the king eats me for his dinner.
These are your old courtiers and they are offering themselves to you. I think it is best that you should eat me. I am the largest and also these three are more useful too in this jungle.
The three were feeling very happy that their plan is working out.
I am very hungry and I have decided to eat you all in the order you have presented yourself.
Before the king could finish his sentence, the crow flew away and the fox and leopard ran away with speed. Ha ha ha!
You are loyal and true friend. I will always protect you.
Truth and loyalty will never go unnoticed and unrewarded.